Alright, dude. Aim for the asshole. Let's get it up there. Oh, dude! Oh, one on my butthole, dude. Oh, Mom, my butthole's bleeding again.
Dude, before this video begins, man.
Ben, you have to say fire.
Yeah, Ben, you gotta say fire, dude.
It's our new thing.
Yeah, fire.
Have you not
been watching the last two videos?
I haven't watched them. I feel like I can't pull it off.
Fire, dude.
Say it, Ben.
It's fire.
You gotta say it like fire, dude.
Yeah, you gotta be like, that's fire, dude. Fire. I'm fired up, dude. That's so fire, dude.
Okay, anyways, dude. Before this video begins, dude, 49% of these people that are watching, man, not subscribed, man.
It's not fire.
It's not fire at all, dude.
It really isn't, dude.
Ben, what should they do?
Subscribe.
Yeah, dude.
Ben says subscribe, dude. So if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Anyways,
You want to film Ben do this, dude?
what are we doing? Ben, what are you doing in there,
We're
dude?
taking out all this audio equipment that we don't want. First off.
Radio delete.
So you're putting in his double din, eh?
Yeah.
And then we're taking the sub out and all the wiring.
We're gonna double din some in
'Cause
here.
you know what, dude? You know what that wiring is, dude?
It's not fire.
It's a fire hazard, dude.
Actually, though, dude. Oh, let me get my swag on,
You got
dude.
your swag on, dude. You think just because we're at Ben's, dude, we don't gotta swag it up anymore?
People who don't subscribe.
Let them know, man.
About to go Indiana Jones on your ass, dude. Fuck. Subscribe. Come on.
What do you think about this head unit, man?
It's fire.
How fire, dude?
Straight fire.
Dude, on like scale of like 1 to fire, how fire, dude?
Fire.
Do we wanna,
What?
do we wanna undo the batteries for this wire?
That would be the safest thing to do, dude, but guess what? Not gonna fucking do it,
It'd be
dude.
pretty lame, wouldn't it?
It would be lame, dude. Holy shit, it's a module, man. Oh, Adam, we got some bad news, man.
No, what do you mean?
Come look at this. That is a fire hazard for sure.
Ben's problem.
It smells like trans fluid.
The good thing is, the wiring in the new head unit looks just as bad.
I don't know, man. There's duct tape on this.
Well, duct tape was supposed to be used for electrical.
We'll delete the duct tape.
Oh, this is fucked. There's no chance in hell this thing's starting after this, eh?
It doesn't start after radio install.
Wouldn't be the first time.
This thing has a remote.
Yeah, it's that some fancy shit, man.
That's when I'm sitting in the back seat driving. Switch the channel on him.
Fire, dude. Oh, dude, look what's behind you, dude.
Dude, no, people get too far and all.
What is that, dude?
It's the 8.6, dude. Oh, fuck. Not fire, dude.
Adam wants some lemonade, dude. If you know, you know.
Yes.
If you know what the lemonade is,
It's the raccoon poon.
it is the raccoon poon, dude.
Okay, fucking film us. Yeah, Ben, look at that one. Isn't that awesome, dude?
I think it is, dude.
No, get some fucking lemon
Dude, it's a plug and play harness, dude.
fire, dude.
It's so fire, dude.
Give me some fucking lemonade, dude.
This could have been so much worse. Bracket, fire hazard, bracket. Wow.
That's kind of fire. You're pulling out the sketchy ground here, dude.
Is it even a 12, dude?
Oh, dude.
Oh, what magnetized speaker, dude? They all are, I just forgot.
This is what happens when you don't subscribe.
The magnet's too strong, dude. Ow, no, that actually really hurts. Fuck off. What the hell?
Just gonna jam that up there.
Sounds good. Mods.
Look at the quick install.
Think this actually gonna work? Plug and play, brother.
Oh,
Someone say plug and play, dude?
Ben's already got it hooked up.
That's fire. Never seen someone use cable ties like that before, dude.
Ben's really got the finesse,
Really
dude.
knows what he's doing, dude.
Ben, let's hear fire.
fire.
Dude, sometimes you can like get jiggy with it, dude, and throw in the hand gesture like, that's fire, dude.
That is so fire. There's a lot of cut wires back here. Fire. Ben, do you have some electrical tape?
You won't be mad, dude. You mean mad fire? 3M tape, right?
No, dude, mount it here.
Mounted right there, dude. Fire. Just like you have bags, but they're not bags. Fire. Next mod for this car, we're going full bags. Cause you know, need that slam. We're also doing Rocket Bunny. Chassis mounts already on ordered. New merch drop, we're doing joggers. No one Adam Co. Cursive writing coming soon, dude.
By your foot on the ground. The clear thing.
I don't see shit, man.
Right under your hand.
It's just too clear, I can't see it.
Right under your hand. Right there.
My hands are here, man. This
It's right there. No, on the ground.
On the ground, like
right
the
under the
floor
door
or the car?
Yeah, on the floor.
The floor. There's no clear thing on the ground.
There.
Are you looking at it?
Okay, like 12 inches in front of your right foot, straight off. Yeah. In front of you.
This is gonna be really good. Oh, we could just ground right to this thing. Whoa. Hello. Wasn't it like coming on and off in the other car?
Yeah, we should probably ground something up.
Doing mods, dude.
Oh my god, Noah. You fucked us. That's it, Moist fam. Thanks for tuning in. And keep moving forward.
Fire, dude.
Bump some tunes. Maybe if the key would turn, that'd be fire. There we go. There's no power because the battery's not hooked up. Oh, fuck. Also, do you think there's any way we can get the front speaker cord? I bought new ones.
Oh, she's a sizzling tandoori, dude.
Alright, it's on.
Does that like it come out of the passenger side? What's your opinion on the new Lingo, Ben?
The new Lingo?
Yeah, is it pretty fire?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty
Really,
fire, dude?
really fire.
What do you think about it?
It's really fire.
That's it? No cap?
What does the no cap part mean?
Honestly, man, I don't even know, but it sounds pretty fire, right?
I agree.
So we're not even capping.
Makes sense.
I asked Ben, like, what he thinks about the new Lingo, dude.
Yeah.
And he's like, that's pretty fire. And I was like, yeah, no cap. He's like, what does no cap mean? And I was like, dude, honestly,
Trust.
don't even know, but like, trust.
Cap means lie. So no cap is like no lie, dude. No lie.
Trust that. There you
That's
go.
some TYO's talk, or you already know what the fuck going on, fam.
I don't know that.
So you could like just type out anything and just not put it in caps and you're not lying.
Fuck, dude.
Put caps on every single title and you can clickbait whatever you want.
It is, dude.
Yeah,
That's what we're doing. It does smell like poo poo in here.
dude, it smells like shreddies, dude.
What is that?
Wow, it smells fire, dude. Give it a sniff, dude.
Is that peppermint pot?
It's for your cigarettes, dude.
Kind of smells like what an S13 smells like. It's almost like grapey smell.
If I had an S13 that smelled like white grape, I'd be happy.
S13s do smell like grape. Or not?
S13s smell like fucking shit. Everyone smells the exact same.
Smell like fucking shit. What's up, Moist fam? Welcome to another episode of Moist Boys. Today, we get fucking lit with Adam's car out here in beautiful British Columbia, dude. So far, enjoying the scenic views, dude.
Do you want the girl to be facing the passenger or you?
It doesn't matter. I don't want to fucking look at her. Ben, you got Ronski?
Sorry.
Do you?
Fire! Alright, Ben, you want to give us an update on what you got going on here?
Alright. My father's vehicle. I'm doing a quad front. So I gotta swap this bad boy on there. So I cut off the front rat support this morning. Yeah.
How's that?
It's kind of scary because I don't want to drill all the way through. But I don't really have the proper tool, so I've just been using a drill bit. Kind of worked out.
Pretty decent.
Here's the quads!
Yeah.
4 knockers are better than 2.
Decent.
It's been beautiful.
Wow, sexy.
Should definitely leave that. That's mad fire, dude.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's fucking jadam and shit. So hits.
And then we filmed this last time, but it never made it to the video because I don't even know what we filmed last time.
Yeah.
Wait, can I try to put this on my car?
Yeah,
Think it fit?
maybe.
Think it looked tits?
See ya.
Wait, Adam, you want to just do it after?
Yeah, no, I'm just waiting on vendors for this car and then I can drive it. But let's see. I also need to tune it better because it's not running very good, but it runs kind of good.
You have a Carb Master coming in.
Yeah.
Carb Master 3000 to come fucking wrench the tune, brother.
Yeah. Fire, dude. It even smells like fuel in here.
Just chooching it.
Yeah. The paint really didn't turn out that good, but that's pretty much it.
Then R32 is getting scrapped.
Yeah, the engine's over there. Oh, I'll show you the powder coat.
Shell for sale.
This is the 3TC for my dad's car. A big cam in it now.
Decent.
And then Warren Foster did these BC Works Drift. Turned out really nice. I was taking the valve cover off and I wanted to put fittings in there. I was trying to pull out the breather and I cracked the housing for it. And these valve covers are worth like so much money if you can find them good because they have the fins on them. And I was like really worried, but he was able to weld the new fitting on there. Turned out really nice. Then
Picture really good.
then he powder coated them for me too.
I like it a lot more than the red they used to be.
Yeah, me too.
Warren, that'll be $50 for that shout out.
Yeah.
That'll be extended LCAs.
Tenoshi, dude, fire ass drop coming like fucking real soon, dude. Fire, it's gonna be way more fire than the last one.
Ben, dude, this is your face.
You guys don't even fucking know it's coming, dude.
Yeah, see, I noticed. You like really gotta
That's how you do fucking voice, dude.
You gotta like tighten up your mouth like it's a little fucking sphincter and be like, that's fucking sick. Sphincter your mouth, Ben.
Sphincter, dude.
Sphincter it.
Ben, the head movements are fucking crucial. Fucking talking like
You're
this.
just an 8-ball of fucking coke, dude.
Anyways, dude, as we were saying,
Oh yeah. Garage Shinoshi container leaving June 14th.
That's correct.
From what port in Japan, Ben?
Japan port, I don't know.
From fucking Tokyo, dude. It's getting on a little boat. Full container, full of shit. So many items. We got at least like 20 something deep coins coming. Nardi deep coins coming, right, Ben?
That's true.
20 something. That's more than 20, that's less than 30.
Ben,
Okay?
top of your head. How much, what shit's
What
coming?
shit's coming?
We
Say
got
the
like
shit. Say the shit. All the shit.
wheels, steering wheels,
What
shift
kinds
knobs.
of wheels, dude?
all
Fire ass
kinds of
wheels,
wheels.
dude?
SSRs.
4x100, SSRs.
Works.
Works.
15s, 14s, 13s.
Some 13 stuck in there.
Bad time. Told you not to buy those. Fucking bitch.
Clothing?
Wheels, clothing,
Clothing,
seats,
cool old jackets.
Yeah.
steering wheels,
Seats.
knobs,
Knobs.
strut bars,
Strut tire bars from Miatas and shit.
bucket seats, dude.
Bucket seats, steering wheels.
Fuck, dude.
Nardies.
Bumpers, hoods, but like not for sale, sorry.
Yeah, for us.
Lights?
No more
Lights.
magazines, thank fuck for that.
Shut the fuck up, no. We got, you know, the Pat Light, the purple flasher balls. We got those coming, dude. Big stock of those. Brand new. JDM as fuck.
Can I get one on the low, dude?
No, you can't.
Fuck you, dude. I don't even want one anymore.
Yeah.
Fuck you, dude.
But yeah, actually, for real, hella shit coming. It's shipping out. The containers leaving Japan June 14th. Should be here about 2 weeks after that or something. I don't know.
I think Jason said 10 days.
Yeah, but then we gotta like, it's gonna take us a while to post all that shit.
yeah, no doubt.
So in July, early July, we're gonna be dropping the website for all your sick ash JDM needs.
Anyways, Ben.
Yeah. It's gonna be really, really nice.
Thanks for doing that today.
Thanks for.
Yeah, thanks for installing.
No problem, guys.
You did the most.
Good guy, eh? If you're not subscribed, maybe comment why you're not subscribed, and then subscribe anyways.
Everyone's gonna tear us apart, dude. That's it, Moist fam. Fuck off.
You guys put wheels and coils on a car and call it done. Fuck. We do have builds coming soon though, man.
Yeah, we have Underglow coming, dude.
And stay tuned for the KAT.
If no one ever buys the stuff.
Fire. Alright, Moist fam, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Today's question, Ben couldn't think of anything. Fuck you, dude, not fire. Anyways, comment your favorite motivational speech. Me and Adam really vibe with the keep moving forward, dude. Let us know if this voice is getting really fucking old. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Fuck.